As a recruiter, simply register your company details with "Hello, my name is", create your company dashboard and post any vacancies you're seeking to fill. If available, upload job descriptions and company videos to promote your organisation to the prospective candidates and provide them with as much information as you can to help them assess if they could be a suitable candidate. Once a vacancy has been posted, you receive a unique reference number to quote on any advertisement or job boards, directing applicants to the relevant "Hello, my name is" page, enabling them to log their application and accompanying video. You simply log into your dashboard where all applications are held for you to review and compare CVs and videos at a time and location convenient to you. Once you've identified suitable applicants, simply invite them in for an interview. Multiple vacancies can also be displayed on your company dashboard, and you can manage each campaign independently without the need to continually log in and log out. Each vacancy posted is live for an initial 30 days, but this can be extended if necessary. Finally, there is no recruitment fee for any applicant you decide to employ, or not. The only cost is a fixed amount which gives you access following the initial posting of the vacancy. "Hello, my name is" takes the stress out of recruitment and streamlines the whole process.